In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can like an Instagram story. Okay, so this is a recent feature that Instagram has added. So if you don't have the option to like an Instagram story, just go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and then just type Instagram. Tap on it once you find it and update your app to the latest version. So if there's an update available, instead of saying open, it's going to say update. You want to download the update and install that. Then you can go into Instagram. And then the process to like a story is very straightforward and simple. All you need to do is to tap on a story at the top there. So I'll tap on a story and now you can see this actually popped up. Now you can like stories, react to stories without sending a message. Only the person sharing the story can see you liked it. So you can see the little like button right over there in gray. So if I get rid of this message now and then I just tap on that heart, you can see I have successfully liked that Instagram story. And the process is just that simple. You just tap on the heart, and if they have multiple stories, you can just tap on the heart on all their different stories. So we can find another one here. I can tap on the heart again, and you can just tap on it once again to undo it if you want to undo the heart. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.